On November 3rd, the Supreme Court is scheduled to hear oral arguments in a case called New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruin. The case is brought by the NRA's New York State affiliate, and it challenges New York's permitting standards to get a permit to carry a concealed gun in public. At issue in the case is whether states like New York can require somebody to establish a good cause for carrying a gun in public spaces. And if the Supreme Court rules against New York, it would call into question the concealed carry permitting standards in states that contain 25% of the U.S. population. There are really three possible outcomes of the case. The first is that New York's law is upheld, that the court rules in favor of New York based on the long historical tradition of regulating concealed carrying of firearms in public and the clear social science that doing so prevents gun crime and saves lives. So that brings us to the second possible outcome, which is a narrow ruling in which the court says that requiring proper cause, requiring a good cause for a concealed carry permit is unacceptable, but states can continue to require permits to carry concealed guns in public, and states can continue to, for example, require training if you want to carry a gun in public, but a law as strict as New York's is unacceptable. And then the third outcome is really an alarming and dangerous outcome. If the court says there is essentially the same right to carry a gun in public as there is to own a gun in your home for self-defense, the court could presumably announce a very broad, almost absolute Second Amendment right regarding guns in public. And that would call into question not only the permitting laws in states like New York, but also a whole host of other gun laws, ranging from who can carry guns in public to domestic violence laws could be called into question, as well as laws regulating various different types of firearms. So assault weapons bans on large capacity magazines. These are just a sampling of the host of gun laws that could be called into question by a negative ruling here.